Welcome back to Summer Coding Camp, where Maya and her robo friend Momo are on another coding adventure. Today, they are diving into the world of functions. Let's join them as they discover how to create their own special tools in code. Functions are a tool in Python that help you do more with less code. They allow you to organize your code, reuse it whenever you need, and make your programs easier to read and understand. Think of functions as tools in the toolbox. Each tool performs a specific task, and you can use it whenever you need to get that task done. Let's see how Maya creates her own functions in Python to create a function in Python. We use the def keyword followed by the function's name and parentheses inside the parentheses. Parameters are included. These are like inputs that our function needs to do its job. Here Maya creates a function called greet. This function doesn't need any inputs, so the parentheses are empty. When we call greet, it will print a friendly message. When Maya runs the greet function, Python prints out, "Hello, welcome to Python programming." Just like that, she's written a function that can be used anytime she needs to greet someone. These are like inputs that our function needs to do its job. Here Maya creates a function called greet. This function doesn't need any inputs, so the parentheses are empty. When we call greet, it will print a friendly message. When Maya runs the greet function, Python prints out, "Hello, welcome to Python programming." Just like that, she's written a function that can be used anytime she needs to greet someone. As you can see, the name parameter makes the greeting personal for each user. Sometimes you want your function to do some work and give you a result. This is where the return keyword comes in. It allows your function to send back a value that you can use in other parts of your code. Maya writes a function called add_numbers that takes two parameters, her and b, and returns their sum. When Maya calls add_numbers 5,3, the function adds the two numbers and returns the result, which is 8. She can then use this result in her program just like any other value. One of the best things about functions is that you can call them as many times as you want with different inputs. This saves you from writing the same code over and over again. Maya calls her add_numbers function with different pairs of numbers, and each time it returns the correct. Some functions make her code shorter, simpler, and more powerful. What a fun day of coding! Today, Maya learned how to create her own functions in Python with functions in the coding toolkit. She's ready to tackle even bigger challenges. Remember, coding is all about building blocks. Functions are one of the most important blocks you'll use. Keep practicing and soon you'll be creating amazing programs of your own. Until next time, happy coding, future programmers.